So yeah, that's how we're gonna escape the house and get some ice cream. That's a great plan. Yeah, that's truly the greatest plan I've ever heard. Do you think we should go with my plan? Okay. So, we're gonna tie our sheets together. We're gonna go open the window. We're gonna go down there, and then we're gonna jump, and then we're gonna go get some ice cream, and then eat it before Taco Mama and Cheetah Mama get home. And our babysitter is asleep, and then we'd get all the ice cream we want. Oh my god, it's a great plan. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I agree actually. Yeah, that's the best plan ever. Yeah. Should we go with it, Penguin? Yeah. Good. Okay, let's act like we're asleep for the morning. Okay. Okay, so now I just gotta steal some stuff. Steal this. Ice. Oh, nice. Come on, let's go. Let's go wake them up as a surprise. You wake up the penguin and the cat. I'll wake up the other side. Ooh, yay, we're going to the cafe today. I gotta go get dressed. Ah! Okay, going. Come on. Yay! Oh my god, I heard we're going to the cafe. Yay. They better be ready at some point. Yeah. Guys, you better be ready at some point. Yeah, we're just getting ready. Oh my god, and we're going to steal some money from there, and then we're going to buy some ice cream, eat it before they come from the table and order our dinner. Yeah, that is the best. Yeah, so let's go do it. Take some money. I took some. Okay, now we all got it. We should be able to do this. Wait, I want to take my pink monkey. Ah! Who threw my pink monkey? Got my pink monkey. Octopus, you've got to be more careful about your pink monkey. Okay, I'm done getting dressed. Oh, me too. Be free. Oh my god, that's so cool. Can you not? That is so stupid for you to jump over. Ugh. Whee! Okay, we're all now ready. Okay, now at the cafe, go sit at the table. Okay. We all get the money. Yeah, let us come over. The cafe person has to be here any minute. So that's when we're gonna order our ice cream. Yes. Hello, what do you want? Ice cream, please. 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 Okay. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. There you go. Yay! Yes, we now got a dinner. Guys, dinner's ready. You serve the penguin, the panda, and the dog while I serve the octopus, my lovely blue and pink cheetah, and the tiger, and the calico cat, taco cat. Okay. Now we up. Oh, that was so good. Yes, it was. Now let's go home. Now you're home, you've got to go to sleep. Okay, go to sleep. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, 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 go. Gotta go to sleep. There we go. Now listen, we gotta go in our bed too. Yeah, like for part 2.